Today we're about to review a 2024 Akins Ford F-250 Covert Edition right here. Got the bad boy ready to roll. And I want to take you through some of the processes. Of course, you got akinsford.com for inventory needs. Go there, great intuitive website. Also, Wild Willies accessories.com. Go there and look, we've got a big truck show less than a month away, April 20th, 24. Go to Wild Willies Accessories to pre-register. If you're just coming to check out, it's free. If you want a pre-entry, put a vehicle in there, it's 30 bucks. Look, this swag right here, wildwilliesaccessories.com. We got a shop online as well, great discounts, and the products, the stuff is actually legit. So I was going through just trying to make sure we do everything unique and different, no cookie cutter stuff going on here. And I usually live in the Wheel Pro fuel realm a lot. This is actually going on one very soon, the Fusion Force Brawl. But I always love to jump over to our Fox boys, the Method race wheels, which is owned by Fox now. This is a 321, it's gloss black, so on a gate black truck. Money set up, got a little topo map on there. This little pocket style on the edge from the Rotoform Street inspired segment is coming over in the little small spokes. As far as overall size, 8x170 bolt pattern. You only got two options, 18x9 plus 18, 5.68 inch back spacing. 20x9 plus 18. Money setup. Let's review. So 2024 Akins Ford F-250 Lariat Sport was our foundation, and there's actually the completed truck in the background, but had this Rapid Red here next door and wanted to showcase it to you in the stock form. So stock form, a phenomenal truck in its own right, plenty of power, convenience, and amenities. Especially on this Rapid Red, that gray grille just does not hit right to me. It needs to be black at least, or really body color would be phenomenal. 20-inch wheels. It's like a carbonized gray with a black cap on it. It's actually a decent looking wheel, but definitely not on 34-inch stocks. We get into it, hang tight. No bed liner in the back, we took care of that. Put a bed cover on our Covert Edition as well. And then of course right here, the rear wheel well liners. See, as an exposed, unfinished look, we take care of that too. Front side heavy, meaning it's 2.5 inches lower in the front, and the tire size could be increased to help balance it out and improve the truck overall. Okay, it's finally time, no more messing around. When I went and got this truck from the picture line, it literally took my breath away. It was like, oh my gosh, black on black, let's get it. Remember, we went from here straight to here. Black on black, 2.5 inch leveled on 37s. This is perfection to me, everyday driving. And look, let's go right to it. The Method MR 321 in gloss black. I told you, the topo map on the center cap, the gloss black with the detail in the spoke design on 37, 12.5, 20 on Toyo Open Country RT Trail, the hybrid tire. It's the E-load rating. You got to watch out for what load rating you put on these tires. This one's going to give you great comfort and confidence no matter what you're doing. Let me know what your thoughts are on this Method wheel, 20x9 plus 18. So that plus 18, look at this money setup, sweet spot, mild to wild scale, mid-level, because we are sticking out about an inch, but it's perfect. Even on this Lariat Sport in a gate black, I would love to see that grille painted a gate black, and then obviously too, do some custom painted emblem action. We like to deliver different price point segments of different variations on our Covert and Everest Edition builds to give every customer great options. This is my shot right here, 2.5 inch leveled in the front only via Ready Lift, 2.5 inch coil spring level kit, Falcon shocks all the way around, and a Carly torsion sway bar. Make it the best riding, no rubbing, no scrubbing, Super Duty on the market. Roll and Lock A-Series retractable bed cover and our custom FX4 Covert Edition decals and American flags on the side for the added detail. And look at this stance right here from the rear. Whew. Perfection. Research power deployable running boards are so legit. Just like my Kyries today, y'all. Look, I got the Kyries with the camo and the snake skin on this side with the red in the back. What you know about that? Inside the Lariat, you get what you need. Leather seating, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, heated and cooled seats, big 12-inch touchscreen, Sync 4. It's got everything that you need to be legit. Pause here for window sticker info, REC 61395, and our Covert Edition upgrade. That's it for today. We have some custom painted Super Duties coming soon too, as well as limiteds, platinums, and more, so stay tuned for more. But these Lariat Sports are like the F-150 Covert from about 4 years ago. They're dropping every 3 or 4 days, and they're selling just as fast. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow, something else cool. I'll see you then.